Yamazen Tabletop IH Cooker. KIH-L14D BK-2. Black. 1400 watts high power IH cooker. 5 levels of heat power. Easy to clean with a glass top. 5 safety functions. Spec details. Thermal power setting 300 watts to 1400 watts. 5 levels temperature setting. 160 Celsius. 200 Celsius. Convenient function. Keep warm fried food. Rapid heating mode. Magnetic plug is glass top. Heat display. LED pilot. Safety function. Power off prevention auto off. Pot detection sensor function. Auto off without pot. This function works even when you put a pot that cannot be used. Power consumption. Maximum. 1400 W cord length. 1.9 meters power supply. AC 100 V50/60 Hz manufacturer warranty. 1 year dimensions. Width 300x, height 58x, depth 335 mm, mass approximately 2.2 kilograms. Accessories. Power cord. If you're looking for a cooktop that provides even and fast heating, reduces energy costs and increases safety thanks to no heat transfer, then an induction cooktop is the best option. At the same time, if you prioritize energy efficiency, you may find an induction cooktop a more compatible purchase.